We are in the slow process of eliminating all of the railroad ties around the property. We got a plan. We're going to put in some cinder blocks, the solid blocks. They're 8 by 8 by 16. Let me take you back and show you what this thing looked like in the very beginning. Before we even started modifying it, we had railroad ties just like this. Then the railroad ties came out, and here we are hauling one. Now these are about 200 pounds, give or take. And here we are with the intermediate step. The intermediate step was to put some large rocks in that we already had. So here's the 16 by 8 by 8s we're going to use, and this is where they're going to go, right down here. So we're going to take all these out, pull the little river rock back, and put those blocks in here. This is what we're getting rid of. 2 railroad ties stacked on top of each other. Hopefully there's not another one down there, but this is about 10 to 12 inches right here. We'll go down in the ground. We got to get these nandinas out of here and hold the rock back and the soil back. So let's get started. You can see the top one that came out, not too bad actually. I'm surprised, but the bottom one that was in the ground, I got it out, dropped it, it hit the ground, and as soon as it did, it broke in half. Definitely time this one came out.
Now it's time to use more of these blocks to extend this wall. We'll continue this wall around this little corner, take out all the major river rocks, and continue down to the end, creating a nice edging for this landscaping bed.
This is our curb and our wall. We're joining this right here together.
12 3/8.
The other side of our block is going to be 14 7/8. We made our lines all the way around, all 4 sides. We're going to try and chisel this out. I was hoping this is going to break like a paver, but it did come out in smaller pieces and then a bigger piece here. It gouged out, and this side's a little high, this side's a little low. We're gonna trim this down. It's so close. There's just a tiny bit of concrete we didn't shave off quite enough and it's stuck. Okay, here it is. Here's our 20-degree angle. We ended up breaking a little chip off the front side there, part of the process, but otherwise the chiseling went pretty well. We got a good probably 1/8 of an inch to 1/4 inch gap there max. Right here I reinforced the corner a little bit. Here's our polymeric sand. We got the Dominator, and I bought this in titanium gray color. I know it comes in at least 6 different colors, so you can find one of your own liking. This is a 40-pound bag. They do sell this in a 10-pound bag though. So we got a dry bucket here. You want it to be dry, we're gonna store it in here. Okay, that's it. We did our landscaping wall out of concrete blocks. This is no pour, no forms, just concrete blocks. Back it up with concrete and pull the rock back on top. Okay folks, don't forget to give us a like and a subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Homestead, y'all.